POV, it's good at times to take a break and not do some stuff without a good warm up. So I was trying these headstands and handstand. After some time, I have been out of practice, but yeah. So since due to some requests, I kind of tried this. So this is also one way of learning this. So you need to start to learn to balance. When you can balance for quite some time in this position, that's progress. Then you slowly take one leg up or other leg up or both legs up at the same time. So if you see, having like straight alignment is very important, but here I was also losing balance again and again and I couldn't do it. This is one of the failed videos. Okay, you might think I'm doing good, but I'm not. I am moving a lot and it's not very stable. And if you see, I'm trying to line myself. I'm like my body is trying to fall back. I'm trying to move it forward and all of that. And then I was like, leave it. I was able to do handstand. Let's do a more handstand with a better camera angle. But this was what was happening. So if you see, I'm in too much hurry at times. So my leg is not reaching the wall, and in that time I'm trying to take other leg up. So even in one go you can try for too long. So I took a break in order to give some rest to my hands, and I thought it's because of socks. I need better grip. So I was able to do it earlier without socks. So without socks it gives you a bit more grip. So try that out as well if you think it might work. And removing watch also helps, because otherwise it kind of acts as a blocker. So yeah, this was me trying, still losing all the balances, directions and everything, moving in all directions. But you can try and you can do it. Just try once. And yeah, I was tired and exhausted, so I just gave up. I like, handstand नहीं हो रहा है, let's do headstand वापस से. And headstand करने की कोशिश करी. And imagine, obviously when your body is exhausted, you listen to your body and you stop trying and you take rest. You don't do like consecutively again and again and again, which I do, which you should not do. So I tried again, going and going, and I was trying to take it in one go, but that also was not working. I was too tired. So yeah, after this I actually gave up.